Have you ever wondered about the origins of seasonal color analysis? It's really fascinating how color can empower our presence and style. What if you could unlock the secrets of color and use it as a wonderful tool to boost your confidence? Let's talk about the scientific beginnings of color. Sir Isaac Newton laid the groundwork for color theory with his prism experiments. Newton revealed colors through refraction. Understanding this opens doors to comprehending color dynamics. We can understand what Newton did with his prism experiments when we look at a rainbow. We're seeing firsthand light passing through moisture, creating the rainbow of colors, and they're always in the same order because of how the light is refracted. Fast forward 2 centuries, and meet artist Albert H. Munsell. He revolutionized color categorization with his Munsell color system. Munsell's definitions of hue, value, and chroma help us understand how colors interact with personal style. Munsell defined that each color has 3 qualities. There's hue, which is color, the color we call red, orange, yellow, etc. Value, which is the lightness or darkness of a color. And then chroma, that is the saturation or brilliance of a color. Here is a simple display of how he categorized color, much as we know it today. What role did early practitioners play in bringing this theory to life? Let's meet the unsung heroes who first applied color theory to personal style. They are pioneers of color analysis. First, let's meet Robert Dorr. His innovative color key laid the foundation for distinguishing skin tones, influencing how we perceive complementary colors. He is basically the first discoverer of the pot of rainbow color and the unsung hero of color analysis. Robert Dorr was an artist born in New York, and he looked at people with a new eye and discovered the beautiful difference of skin tone. His trained eye for color saw blue and gold undertones in the complexions of people. History tells us that in 1928 he observed harmonious effects of paint colors when grouping those of either a blue or yellow undertone. Then in 1934 in Chicago, Dorr began working on furniture design using his own color theory of undertones and developed his ideas on color psychology. After working on a textile group for a manufacturer, he became a professional color consultant for cosmetic companies. Dorr's color key system defined an individual's complexion as being either key 1 with cool blue undertones or key 2 with warm yellow undertones. Now we meet Bernice Kentner. She's the creator of Color Me a Season. She recognized Dorr's contribution and expanded on him, establishing the framework for today's color analysis in the 1970s. Suzanne Cagle's book, Color the Essence of You, provided visual guidance that made color analysis accessible. Want to explore your own colors? Check out my ebook, Basic Wardrobe Suggestions from Color Me a Season, for a tailored approach to your style. Or you can click on my link to book a 2-minute discovery call and learn more. Have you ever felt a strong aversion to certain colors, just like I did growing up? I remember my mother's choices often clashed with my preferences, making me question my own color identity. She loved and wore cool colors, and she looked great in them. As a young person, I was drawn to yellow, warm khaki, and I think I looked ridiculous in pink. I do love pink around me in the garden, but not on my person. As I learned about color analysis, I found clarity and confidence in selecting hues that resonate with me. Understanding our color story can help us embrace styles that truly reflect our essence, enhancing our executive presence. Could this be your key to personal empowerment through your wardrobe? Now that you know the rich history of how seasonal color analysis began and its pioneers, you're going to want to know how to apply these insights into your own style. Please click on the video on the screen and I'll show you some before and after pictures and how to determine whether a color in your closet is warm or cool if you're feeling you're a little unsure. See you in my next video.